Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make slime. I forgot to get the camera rolling, so I just got the glue in, the shaving cream, and the lotion to make it smooth. But now I got the camera rolling. I didn't do all the slime yet. See, it's still that. And now I just need some activator. So, this activator. A lot. Stir it. Oh, see, it's starting to form. I'm not going to touch it yet because I know it's sticky. So I'm going to add a little more. Wow! So cool. So, like, sometimes I add too much or I over-wax it sometimes. But now I'm just going to add a little bit. Like, that much is going to be, yep. Okay. So that is good. Okay, I think the slime is fully done. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay. So, a little bit more. I had it inside, but oh my word. I should not have touched this. I'm gonna put it. You heard that music? Did you hear that? I thought that was not me. That was my sister is like playing a video, but that was not her right now. And that wasn't me because I don't like fart as loud like that. So, my sister's videos. I made the slime. Good. I didn't really well, I kind of did right now because, you know, when it was like sticky, I put more wax in it and I kind of over waxed it. Now I'm going to put some lotion in it. Make it smooth. That was a good amount. It's good slime. I'm surprised. I'm going to have a giveaway now. So I have a lot of slime that I don't really play with. I'm going to get a giveaway. So, it's the giveaway. I'm just kidding. It's not the giveaway. I'm going to show you the giveaway in like a little bit. And if you check out my other videos, you'll see the purple or grayish slime. And then you'll see the blue one, and you see the aqua one, and you see the goopy. I'm not going to give away the goopy one because it's too sticky. So I don't want you guys to get a bad slime. So I have a first one, I got a second one, and then this is a first. And the purple one is not for sale. I'm just saying. It's a lot of slime, I know. I got the stuff with my money, except for the lotion and the cup. And everything else. But I got this like a couple days ago, and then I got this yesterday. It's a new bottle, because I know I'm gonna make a lot of slime. And I got this, and I got my lotion. It's my mom's lotion. Take this off, so, oh, my hand, so it doesn't get into the slime. Now I just gotta find a place to put it. I know I'm trying to do this like butter slime, but it's not butter slime. Unless you add like clay or something. I think it's like you add clay and it's gonna be like butter slime something. And now I'm just gonna find a place to put this. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just found my old crayon box when I was in 2nd grade. So I figured I could put my white slimes in there, and it wouldn't be such a big deal where I could put it anymore. Where could I put this? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I got this to put all my crayon and stuff in it. This bag up. Pour all the stuff in it. Okay. Whew, so I got my stuff in here. I know it's a lot. Put it aside from here. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm back. Sorry I left. So I got my container clean. I know it's kind of dirty on the bottom, if you can see.
Pick up your plates, girl.
It's from the bottom. Oh. So I'm just sliding here. Put it in the corner, and then I'm gonna make more slime. So gotta hurry because my sister has a game, a softball game, and I gotta hurry with this. Come on, glue. Come on. Come on. Get all that glue that's in there. Come on. Okay, gotta hurry. I'm already sweating. Oh, it's hot in here. Okay. Mix.
Hey, I really want some ice cream.
Okay. So, mix. I'm trying to make more slime. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna make the slime. I already put the glue shaving cream. Okay. So now we gotta put the lotion in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to do 5 pumps. You mix it all together. Don't make peach. Okay, now it's time for the activator. Mix. Oh, it's starting to form quick. Okay, mix. Get the tops of that. Mix. Second slime. Okay. Now we just gotta put more lotion in it. Call it lotion because that's what I used to call it. I'm just kidding. Call it lotion because it's supposed to be a lotion, but I call it a lotion. Lotion. It's working out pretty good. See my slime in there? It's still good. Da 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 da. Sorry if you can hear that. It's just my sister, but you know what? I still love her. Oh, she's loud. Aww. Wild crunch. Okay, now it's time to put it into the bin. We got a present for you, Slimy. Put you in the corner right there. It should be right there. I like the slime we just made. So like not putty. Let's just try to. I want my thing to be full as it can be. So we'll see some glue in there. Let's try it up. Alright, never mind. Let me use my other glue bottle. Hold on, I think I have another one. Oh, nope. I already checked my room and no luck. It's just white. So, I'm gonna use my other glue. Da, da, da. that much glue in. That is a lot of glue. Buy more glue at the store now. Okay. Shake it up. Toss it in. You add as much, as little as you want. I'm going to make even a bigger slime with the shaving cream because shaving cream makes bigger slimes than you would usually have. Okay, that's enough shaving cream to be overload. Oh, it's going to be overload. Anyways. Yep, that's good. That's good. Now, you're going to add some Lipton. Okay, now mix it. Don't turn it into peach. Okay. Now, I'll put some contact solution. I use borax and water. You can use baking soda, contact solution at Walmart. Whatever you like, you can use. I just use borax with water. Okay. I just want it to be done. I don't think this video can go over 20 minutes, but it's almost 20 minutes. Like 2 more minutes left and then it will be 20. So this is the slime. Very foamy. Okay. So foamy. Just gonna squeeze it. So fun to play with. Comment below if you love slime, because I love slime. That's why I love to make slime videos. And love to make other videos, like Universal Studios. I know I didn't actually really get to do a video on Universal Studios because I was mostly on rides, and they don't let you put cameras on the rides. But this time, whenever we go back, I'll show you. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. You'll freak out. Okay, time to put it in the blob, or the box. Box of blobs. Ah! It filled the box with the 3 slimes. I love this slime. Okay, now I just gotta put it to the side to fill it. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's the end of the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, turn on the notification bells, like, and we'll see you on the next video, I guess. So, bye guys.